I'm not gonna lie, I'm in a bit of a rush this morning because I woke up late and I need to have a shower, render the second Paris video, do the thumbnail for it, do the end screen for it, all in an hour. So yeah, I need to go quickly. Now I need to rewatch the Paris video, the second one, because I need to check if it's all good, like the editing and that, before I put it up. Because I've made that mistake before, and it was like, nah, I'll be fine. But then the music was like off and that. You still fall on my phone, so I'm looking for it. Right, so that video is now rendering. I need to try and do a thumbnail before I leave, which is in 15 minutes. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do the end screen because for that I need the video rendered and uploaded to YouTube. So yeah, that's not happening. That doesn't really take long anyway, so I can do that later. Are you there now?
Yeah.
Right, I'm just doing my thumbnail, yeah. I'll be there next minute. I won't be long. All I gotta do is the thumbnail. Right. I won't be long. Good. And there you go, there is the thumbnail. You know, just keep it simple, you know. Don't have any red arrows because I'm not dude. Right, so now I'm gonna go meet different people, including Dylan, down the park. Right, I'll see you later. Bye. Bye. Oh, poor Dylan. Bye. I don't have to dash to the park, I think. It's not that bad actually. But I might run anyway because I don't want to keep Dylan waiting. So. Right, so this is the thing, right? I really want to get better at vlogging, but I just don't know how. Like, I know I can. Like, I can get better, but I literally just don't even know how. So, leave comments down below if you want how I can improve. But yeah, oh, main man, there he is, boys. Oh, main man chap. Kicks in. Yes, we forgot their phone. Right, so they didn't tell us they were walking. So we're just gonna go into Burger King for it because it's pouring down.
Sorry, I'm going to have to go to this right now. I'm sorry.
Morgan?
Text him post 14 YT.
Oh, how did you get his number?
Gave it to me and stuff.
Eat him, eat him.
24 and a half hours, speaker 14 here now.
Is this going on your channel? Yeah. What's your channel? Okay.
Because if they break, I have to pay for them. And I don't want to pay for them because, yeah.
I mean, he's still sitting on the chair at the end of the day.
What are you talking about?
Look who's back, man.
Crash stage 4. This is what it looks like.
Yay! That's speed though. No. Why? The new video was supposed to be up half hour ago. I haven't even uploaded it yet. The minute I put my camera down, the video finishes. So now I can just go back out. I physically can't believe it was raining earlier. Like, it's so nice now. I physically just don't understand Welsh weather. I don't understand weather in general. You're gonna be quiet. It's the premiere screening of Paris vlog number 2, bro.
Oh, did it happen to you guys?
Yeah.
It broke down about 20 times for me.
Shorty get down, good lord. Baby got 'em walking all over town. Strictly bitch, you don't play around. Cover a bunch of grounds, got game by the pound.